Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome me back to my channel. It has been a really long time since I've been back on here making videos and everything. And I do apologize for that. I do apologize to all my followers and supporters who's helping me since the beginning. I am back. I'm here to do this again. I'm here to commit, make more videos. I would love to hear what you guys would like to see. Any makeup looks you're interested in, any reviews you want me to do, anything of that nature. Today, I am actually doing a Boxycharm review. I did jump on Boxycharm. I was doing Ipsy for a little bit. I know if you've seen my old videos, I was doing Ipsy for a little bit. Got off of that subscription just because I wanted to try something new. I did like it for a little bit, but I felt like it could be a little more. So I tried Boxycharm. I got a lot of recommendations on Boxycharm, and I am in love with Boxycharm right now. I'm in my third box. I did January and February, so now I'm in March. I do still have a lot of items for the most part with my January and February, so if you want me to review any of those, I can. But I have used almost everything because I'm so happy with everything that I got. So I can definitely put all the information on this video and give you the prices of the different items. They are all full size. You usually get about 5 items. They give you a sheet of paper with the name of the items and their retail price. So it's really awesome because you get items that are between $100 to $150 full size, and it's in a $21 box. You pay $21 a month. Five items that are over $100 in total. So I think that's amazing. I love having full-size items. I love that I actually use all of my items. I haven't had any bad luck yet. There hasn't been one thing that I haven't liked. So I will definitely go ahead, get the video going, let you guys see the items that were in my box. One of the items is actually a face palette that I currently have right now. Decided to give it a try before work, and I love it. I absolutely love it. I wanted it as a travel palette, and it worked perfectly. So let's go ahead and get on in this video. Let me know what items you got in your box. Let me know how you like it. And if you have any questions, like I said, go ahead, make comments down below. If you are not following, go ahead and follow my page. That way we can stay in contact. You can see some of the makeup looks and things that I like. Yeah, that's about it. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is pretty much everything that was in my Boxycharm for the month of March. As soon as I opened it, I was extremely happy with it. I really wanted a palette that pretty much had a contour, blush, highlight, and all that in it, because recently I actually did a trip to New York, and I had to bring my contour palette, my blush, a couple highlighters, and I was just thinking I would love to have that all in one. So this was great for that. So I'm gonna, next time I have another trip, I will definitely be taking this with me. This is one of the masks we have. This is the brushes, liquid lipstick, and an eyeshadow. So I'm gonna start with this because this is right in the front. This is the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying Brightening Mask. It is a peel off. I did get to try it. The box just came in today, and I figured I might as well use a mask because tonight's one of my masking nights. Gave it a shot, and I try to make it as thick as possible on my skin. That way it was easy to peel. It is rose gold, by the way, but it took a minute for me to be able to peel it off. I was able to get most of it off. I want to say at least like 99% of it. Only the edges wouldn't come off. And when it got closer to the edges, it did hurt a little bit. Kind of reminded me a little bit of the charcoal mask, but it was not as painful for me. Whatever I couldn't get off, I actually took a rag, soaked it up with cold water, and then took it right off. It literally came off so easily, and my skin feels so smooth, so great. These are the Moda powder and soft glow brushes. When I took them out the box originally, I thought they were just the cutest thing. This is what it shows in the back. If I could get it to focus. Shows you exactly how the brushes are, gives you a description. I'll go ahead and take it out the box for you, as long as my nails let me. That's the highlighting one, and this is the full face powder brush. So this is the full face. Super, super soft. I actually now want to go see what other brushes Moda has. They have their little logo there. I think they're actually nice and small. My biggest thing is travel size right now. I don't know why I'm into this big old thing of travel size. What can I take for traveling? Now I just want to travel the world at this moment. Hopefully 2019 is that year. And I think these are perfect to go in a travel bag. They're almost as long as my other ones. I want to say I probably have like an extra ½ inch to my other brushes. So this is really nice for all over the face. It says just dip it in your translucent powder and put it all over. I might use it in my foundation powder because sometimes I set my entire face with that. And then this is the highlighting. I think this is going to be perfect for highlighting. I currently use a fan brush, and I was just thinking about how I wish I had a brush just like this to be able to be a little bit more precise in my highlighting. So these two are going to be amazing. Go ahead and throw this back in the box. Then I have this liquid lipstick here. If I can, my nails will just let me get them out. This is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Monaco. I think it's a really pretty rosy pink color. It's not overdone. I don't like pink actually. I used to wear pink so much as a child. I'm just over pink. But I do like rosy pink, and that's what this box mostly is. So I am really liking that. This is in the color Monaco, if I'm saying that right. And it's actually a, how do I explain it? It looks like a shimmer, but it is matte. If you know what type of liquid lipsticks I am talking about, I'm definitely drawing a blank right now. But it's absolutely pretty. Let's see if I can go ahead and do a swatch. I love that color. I don't know how well it's showing, and it's shining right now, but when I tried it on, within a minute, it was matte. It was that metallic. There we go. Look, finally came to me. Metallic. It's a metallic liquid lipstick, so don't be surprised if you have this box and it comes in metallic. I'm warning you now. That's exactly what this is. However, it is a really pretty color. This is the Appeal Liquid Eyeshadow. Of course, you know, I just had to play with this box beforehand. I just got so excited. I went to the mailbox, grabbed the box, and busted it open before I even got to the house. So this is looks like a gold color. It says rose gold. I'm telling you now, to me, this is gold. This is more of a rose color to me, if anything, of a pink. This is closer to me as a rose gold more than anything else. This is definitely a gold, as you can see. But it does say it's rose gold. When I was playing with it, I actually thought it was a really, really pretty color. See if I can get it right beside the other one. I think this color would be amazing, especially with a cut crease. I think this color would be absolutely beautiful. Super nice. You can get very precise with this. I am going to try some looks with this eyeshadow. If I do end up with a look that I like, I will maybe make a video of it. We will see. But yeah, so this is item number 4. Finally, we have the item that I have even been waiting for so long. I know my box actually came in really late. It did not come at the normal time that it normally does. It did come a little late. The people of Boxycharm did get on Instagram Live and let us know what was going on, which I do greatly appreciate that. It was just so funny how I was thinking about how my box hasn't gotten here yet, and I kind of want to know, and I got on Instagram and I noticed they were live, and I got all the information I need. So thank you for that, Boxycharm. It put me at ease, and when I finally got my email letting me know it was shipped, I was so excited. So I do have the light medium. Looks like the highlighters is Starlight and Divine. The brightener is Moonbeam. Finishing powder is Stellar. Contour color is Silhouette. If I said that right too. And the blush is Sublime. let's go ahead and open the bad boy. So this is my light medium. It does come with a really big mirror, which I'm not going to take this off yet because I just don't want to mess it up at all. I love having a really big mirror. Contour, blush, 2 highlights, brightener, and the finishing powder. Honestly, I'm probably not going to use that finishing powder just because I see like sparkle or glitter, and it's definitely not my skin tone, so I do not feel comfortable using that. For me, I have a feeling this is going to be really light, but I am going to end up giving it a try eventually just to make sure. I usually like my contours pretty dark, and this is giving me like enough of a shadow. I don't even know if it's showing on the camera. It is showing for me a little bit in person, but it's literally just a shadow. So we will see how this looks on. I might even try it tomorrow. Let's see if I have any more room on my arm. This is the blush. It's pretty pink. I usually go for more of a rosy type of color. I don't even think this is showing up very well, but that's okay. Point of it is this is the light medium. This might be just a little too light for me. This is going to show up. I might have to be very careful with it. These 2 highlighters are amazing. I did like this one the most. If it shows, that was my absolute favorite one. And then this one here is more of a settle. That one's definitely more settled when you put it on the skin. I think that's why they have the brightener. So this is the palette. I am still really happy with it. I'm going to give it a try tomorrow morning for work. See if this shows up. If not, it is what it is because this is a $45 palette that came in a $21 box. So I cannot complain. I am definitely happy with it.